Good afternoon, my dear viewers. I hope everything is fine and everybody is healthy. How are you? How was your last lesson? Great! We are on the third day of week 1 with the objective visualize its percent and its relationship to decimals using models. Once again, I am your teacher for this afternoon, Sir Jess from Kalayaan Elementary School. Just sit back and relax. Listen carefully as I discuss our lesson for today. Our lesson for this afternoon is about visualizing percent and its relationship to decimals using models. Perhaps you have already learned the relationship of percent to fraction and to ratio. And now we will learn about another relationship of percent, which is the decimal. Before we proceed, do you still remember what a decimal is? Very good. Decimal numbers are used to represent numbers that are smaller than 1 unit. Decimals are written to the right of the units place separated by a period. Study the illustration. What percent of the grid is shaded? Yes, it's 58%. What is the fractional part of the shaded regions? Very good. It's 58 over 100. What is the ratio of the shaded regions to the total number of squares? Yes, it's 58 is to 100. Can you express percent to decimal? How? Okay, so to change percent to decimal, we first remove the symbol of percent. Okay. Next, move the decimal point 2 places to the left. Then, you may or may not annex 0. Okay? So to show the relationship of percent to decimal, we can also divide the numerator by the denominator. Okay? Let us have this example. How many 1 whole are in the illustration? Very good. There are 2 1 whole. What is the fractional part of the shaded regions? Yes, it is 1 and 3/4. Express the fractional part of the shaded regions in percent. It is 175%. How did it become 175%? Yes. Okay. The whole part is 100% and the remaining part is 75%. So how would you write 175% in decimal form? Anybody? Very good. Simply remove the percent sign and move the decimal point 2 places to the left. Okay, so from 175% in decimal is 1 and 75 hundredths. Is it clear? Thank you. Study the table below. The columns show the relationships of percent to fraction, decimal, and to ratio. Are you ready now? Okay. So what is it in percent? Very good. It's 40%. What did you do with the denominator to make it 100? Yes, very good. What about the numerator? Very good. How did you rename percent to decimal? Okay, so that is 40 hundredths. What about in ratio? Yes, It's 2:5, and in fraction, it is equal to 2/5. Okay? Let us have this example. What is the fractional part of the shaded regions? Very good. It's 1/2. How many is it in percent? Very good. It's 50%. How will you write 50% in ratio? Very good. It is 1:2, and in decimal form, it is equal to 5/10 or 50/100. Did you get it? Very good. Anyone who would like to fill in the data for the table? Okay. What is the ratio of the shaded regions to the total number of regions? Very good. It's 7:10. How will you write it in fraction? That's correct. It's 7/10. What about writing it as a decimal number? Very good. It is 7/10, or you can also write it as 70/100. And in percent, it is equal to, yes, it's 70%. Is there any question? Very good. You are really enjoying the lesson. Before you proceed answering the module, kindly answer this question. What is the relationship of percent to decimal? Okay, very good. Percent can be expressed as a decimal. To rename percent to decimal, first remove the percent sign. Then move the decimal point 2 places to the left. Annex or add 0 when needed. If you think you still need to understand more about the relationships of percent to decimal, you may review the lesson before answering your module. Remember to stay safe and always wear face masks to help stop the spread of coronavirus. Be happy and keep yourselves healthy. This is Sir Jess saying bye.